Alright guys, how's it going? Today we're gonna be removing these studs that usually always break on your N54. As you can see, I have one that did not break, but for the rest of them they pretty much broke off. And this is gonna be the method I found to be the easiest to take these things off. Alright, so I've seen people drill these out with drills, cut them off right here and then drill them. But what I think all you need really is some heat, either being these little torches right here or like a bigger like construction torch, and that's pretty much it. You could use some PB blaster, but I think just with the heat it should be enough. As you can see, took one out already, came out pretty clean. Here it is. Didn't really do much except for heat it up, so that's what we're gonna be doing today, just heating it up, see where it goes, just like this. We're gonna hold it here for quite a while. You can see the back is pretty much gone. That's it. Alright, it's nice and hot, so all we're really gonna do is just hit it right here with the hammer. Put this on the grass, somewhere softer. There we go. I don't have sandals on. It's early in the morning. It's like, I don't know. But as you can see, came right out. Just like that. No issues at all. It's gonna be really hot. For sure. But clean. Cat is not damaged at all. Looks pretty clean actually. But we're just gonna repeat the same thing for the last two, which heat them up, hit them with the hammer. This hammer is really cool from Snap-on. Should work for any hammer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Heat it up, heat them up, and then hit them out. I don't know if you guys want to watch that, but like I said, hit them up and hit them out. Alright, I'm just showing you guys that I took them all out, all of them whole. You know, didn't have to drill anything, didn't have to cut anything. They all just came out hammered out with quite a bit of heat. Held it on there for a good bit. Heat really helped out. And you're left off with just the flange, just like any other cat or downpipe actually. Flange and flange right here. It's still pretty hot, both of them, damn. But yeah, clean. Now we're gonna put them back on because we have to go get smog now. And we kind of need this to pass smog. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Hope it helped you guys out. And see you.